Okay, I'm going to explain how to do division with the area model. So first we have our equation. I'm going to set up the area model box. I'm going to put the dividend on the inside and the divisor on the outside. The dividend is the first number, the divisor is the second number. What I've told the kids to do is list their multiples of the divisor. So list the multiples of 4 on the side. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Then you're going to list the multiples of 1 beside each number. This is going to make it much easier when we actually get into the dividing and using the box. Make a nice little chart. All right, now I'm going to ask myself what number in this chart on the right side gets me close to 624 without going over 624. But I noticed that all these numbers are super low, and so I need to do something. I need to multiply all these numbers by 10, which the easy way to say that is just add a 0 to every single number in this list. So all these numbers are getting multiplied by 10 to make them a little bigger and a little easier / closer to 624. So now I'm going to ask myself the same question. What number gets me close to 624 without going over 624? And that's going to be 400. So I'm going to circle 100 and circle 400. 100 goes on top. I'm going to subtract 400. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 6 minus 4 is 2. I'm left with 224. I still have to keep going because I can't stop until I get to a 0 answer when I subtract, or the answer is less than 3, which would be the answer is less than 4, which would be a remainder. So I'm going to put what I have left right here and start again. What number in this list gives me close to 224 without going over 224? That'd be 200. So I'm going to circle 200, circle 50. 50 is going to go on top. I'm going to subtract 200 right here. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 2 minus nothing is nothing. So I'm left with 24. Still not done yet because I got to get a 0 answer or an answer less than 4. So I got to start again, new box. But now all these numbers are too big because the top number up here is 40. So now I need to divide all these numbers by 10 to get them back low. Or just cross out all my zeros and turn them back into what they originally were when we first started. All right, now I'm going to ask myself the same question for a third time. What number gets me close to 24 without going over 24? And that's going to be actually 24. So I'm going to circle 24, circle 6. 6 is going to go on top. I'm going to subtract 24, and I'm left with 0. Okay, so now I know I'm done because I'm left with 0 right here. So the answer is going to be 100 plus 50 plus 6. That's how I get my answer. Add all the numbers on top, which equals 156. And that's how you solve that problem.